Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, we're going to be talking about Poppy Bank. Is it a safe and secure place to put your money? I know that's a question a lot of people are asking right now, especially after the recent news about some other banks. So, I wanted to take some time to do some research and share my findings with you. Before we get into the details, let's talk about why security is so important when it comes to your money. After all, you want to know that your hard-earned cash is safe and sound. So, let's get into the meat of the matter. Is Poppy Bank secure? The short answer is yes. Here are some of the reasons why I believe that. Poppy Bank is a member of the FDIC, which means that your deposits are insured up to $250,000. This means that even if the bank were to fail, you would still get your money back. Poppy Bank has a strong track record of financial stability. They have been in business for over 100 years and have weathered many economic storms. Poppy Bank uses the latest security measures to protect your information. This includes encryption, firewalls, and other security protocols. Poppy Bank has a team of experienced and dedicated employees who are committed to protecting your privacy. Of course, there's always a risk involved when you put your money in any bank. But I believe that Poppy Bank is a safe and secure option for your banking needs. In addition to security, there are a number of other reasons why I like Poppy Bank. They offer a wide range of products and services, including checking accounts, savings accounts, loans, and credit cards. They also have a great customer service team that is always available to help you with any questions you may have. So, there you have it. I believe that Poppy Bank is a safe and secure bank. If you're looking for a new bank, I would encourage you to consider them. I hope this information has been helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. And as always, thanks for watching.